CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.2 Given a scenario, configure and apply basic Microsoft Windows OS security settings. Data at Rest Encryption. Before diving into encrypting file system, BitLocker, and BitLocker-To-Go, it is important to briefly discuss a related security concept known as data at rest encryption. While data at rest encryption is listed in Exam Objective 2.7, these Windows security technologies are all direct examples of it in practice. Because of that, it makes much more sense to introduce the concept now, alongside the tools that actually implement it within Windows. With that said, imagine a calm, serene lake with the sun setting in the background. The stillness of the water is reminiscent of data at rest in the world of information technology. Simply put, data at rest refers to data stored on devices like computers or servers, not actively being used or transmitted. More specifically, it is the files and documents that sit quietly on your storage drive. However, this stillness doesn't guarantee safety. That's where data at rest encryption comes in. The first type of data at rest encryption we will discuss is file-level encryption. Additionally referred to as file-based encryption or file folder encryption, this method is distinct in its approach to data protection. Instead of encrypting an entire storage medium or device, file-level encryption zeroes in on individual files or directories, encrypting them directly through the file system. One commonly used tool for this type of encryption is encrypting file system, which is built into Windows. Encrypting file system, or EFS for short, allows you to encrypt specific files or folders on an NTFS formatted drive, providing a layer of security without needing to encrypt the entire drive. To encrypt a single folder, you simply right-click the folder, select Properties, and then select the Advanced tab. This will open another window. From here you just check the option for Encrypt Contents to secure data, and voila, you have just enabled EFS. Once encrypted, only users with the correct decryption key or access rights can view or modify the files, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected even on a shared system. While file-level encryption protects specific files or folders, disk-level encryption, also known as full disk encryption, offers a more comprehensive solution. Think of disk-level encryption as a protective shield that covers the entire storage device, whether it's your computer's hard drive or an external disk. If your goal is to protect everything on your device, from system files to personal data, disk-level encryption is the ideal choice. To understand why disk-level encryption is so important, consider the example of a stolen laptop. Because of their portability, laptops are prime targets for theft. But often, the true value for the thief isn't the device itself, it's the data stored inside. This could include anything from personal photos to sensitive business documents or financial information. Without encryption, a skilled thief could easily access this data by removing the hard drive and connecting it to another device, leading to privacy breaches or financial loss. One of the most commonly used tools for this level of protection in Windows is BitLocker. BitLocker encrypts the entire drive, ensuring that everything, from the operating system to personal files, remains secure. It works by scrambling the data on the disk, making it unreadable to anyone without the correct decryption key. This level of encryption provides peace of mind, particularly for users who store sensitive information on their devices. A key point to remember is that if the system undergoes significant changes, such as a major repair, OS reinstallation, or even certain BIOS updates, you may be required to use a recovery key to regain access to the encrypted data. This recovery key is essential because, without it, even the rightful owner can be locked out of their own data. Therefore, it's crucial to store this recovery key in a safe, accessible location, to avoid being permanently locked out of your encrypted system. For portable storage, we also have BitLocker-To-Go, which extends BitLocker's powerful encryption capabilities to removable devices like USB drives. This ensures that sensitive information transferred using USB drives remains secure, even if the drive is lost or stolen. Users can easily protect their data by encrypting the entire USB drive with BitLocker-To-Go, requiring a password or recovery key to unlock it on any device. Data at rest encryption plays a significant role in securing information that's not actively in use. File-level encryption, through tools like EFS, protects specific files and folders, while disk-level encryption, using methods like BitLocker, safeguards entire storage devices. Whether it's protecting individual files or ensuring that an entire system is secure, encryption is a powerful defense against unauthorized access. And for portable devices, let's not forget about BitLocker-To-Go, which ensures that sensitive data remains encrypted and safe, even when stored on USB drives. Together, these methods provide a robust solution to keep your data safe, no matter where it rests. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.